This ain't your God?
Yeah.
Okay, come. Step on it. Drop on it.
Right.
Right. That's your God. That's it.
Right.
Why?
You can put a picture of a
Watch
random
this.
person, but I wouldn't.
Watch it.
There you go. That doesn't hurt me, but I'm saying.
Of course, I'm not stepping on you.
But what I'm saying.
I'm not stepping on you.
So what I'm saying.
Let me free your mind. Let me free your mind. Step on it. Show me you don't worship that man. Show me you don't worship him. Show me. Prove to me, brother. Prove to me you worship a black man. That's right. Allegiance is to a black man. I just showed you that my allegiance is to a black man by the name of Jesus Christ. That's right.
Religion if you want be a free man. Cause the deacons them full of demons. Same situation with Rasta with Islam. Only beacon of hope for your lean on is UPK and the General Yana. Every fowl of the ear, every beast of the field, every creeping thing we creep on land, every mouth of the clear, loud and clear.